Assalamualaikum and greetings to my fellow friend and our lecturer, Sir Ismail. My name is Muhammad Rashidi Azim. Matrix number 07 DEP30083 2027, and we will present about in of chapter question 1. So question one is about basic knowledge about ADSL. So we have done some simple research to explain furthermore about the topic. So definition of ADSL is a symmetric digital subscriber line, which is a technology that enables high transmission speed at a high bandwidth for video and voice to homes or business over an ordinary copper telephone wire that provide internet access, which is faster than a conventional voiceband modem that can provide. This technology is the most cost-effective in areas with a low market penetration of cable TV, hence nowadays enhanced with fiber optic technology. So second question, the question is to draw a basic ADSL network diagram for StreamXTM and UniFi-TM. StreamXTM nowadays known as the slowest internet provider, since it still uses some common old technology from before. As for UniFi-TM, it is a technology that uses modern solution, which is fiber optic that enable a high speed out and inline internet to the user. As can be seen in the diagram, the TM net provides the network connection through the splitter that can be connected to anywhere. As in the diagram, it is connected to a 2-phone from microfilter using RJ11 wire and to the SL modem to a host using RJ45 wire. So this is basically the type of StreamXTM. Other than that, we can see there is a hub and switch that connected to a 2 laptop, to client 1 and client 2 using fiber optic cable that enable the client to get a high speed data connection. So that is basically how a UniFi-TM should work, using a fiber optic cable that enable the user to get a faster internet connection. So the third question is a component that participate with ADSL architecture StreamXTM or UniFi-TM from customer side. So from customer side, the customer should have a Pstn, port splitter, MDF, ADSL modem, router, PC with internal hub switch, and DSLAM. That's all from me. The rest of the question will be presented by my partner. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Karen Naim bin Mujakir. Number matrix 07 DEP. I will explain about question 4 and 5. For question 4, ask variety of broadband package which speaks for StreamXTM and UniFi-TM. The requested broadband provider has two, StreamXTM and UniFi-TM. For StreamXTM, internet speed is 1 Mbps, 2 Mbps, and 4 Mbps, and the price for 1 Mbps is Rm 110, for 2 Mbps is Rm 130, and the last 3 Mbps is Rm 140. Next is UniFi-TM. Internet speed available 330 Mbps, 100 Mbps, and 300 Mbps. Price for 30 Mbps is Rm 89, for 100 Mbps Rm 129, and 300 Mbps is Rm 199. Next, question 5. Question 5 as significant difference refer to Pstn copper and DSL fiber optic in terms of cable and how many frequency can be carried. In terms of cable, Pstn using copper wire able to connect the national telephony network in any environment at average speed, while fiber optic in DSL is about 20 times faster than cable that is mostly used home and business surrounding. Therefore, the frequency it can bring for Pstn is 0 to 4 kilohertz, and DSL is 20 kilohertz to 2.2 megahertz. It's time for me. Let's go.
Assalamualaikum and greetings to our lecturers, Ismail, and our fellow friend who's watching this video. So my name is Muhammad Rashid Azim from DEP30083, matrix number 07 DEP 20F2027. So the second task of the EOC is how we can explain about the migration of Pstn to NGN from our basic knowledge. So the first question is to explain the definition of NGN. A next generation network, NGN, is a packet-based network that able to provide service including telecommunication service and able to make use of multiplying broadband, QoS-enabled transport technology, and in which service-related functions are independent from underlying transport-related technology. Next, the second question is to explain briefly about basic network of Pstn using proper diagram and some explanation. Public switch telephone network (PSTN) is a traditional circuit switch telephone network. It is a general system that often used since the late 1800s and commonly also known as plain old telephone system (POTS) ports. It is a combination of the telephone network used worldwide, including telephone lines, fiber optic, cable, switching center, cellular network, satellite, and cable system. This network enables telephone service communicate to anyone at any time and anywhere. As can be seen in the diagram, two phones is connected from a central office as a middle system provider that function to exchange any analog input to digital, then convert it back to analog so that the other client can receive it perfectly. The second diagram is the general function of how the system should work, from analog to digital and converted back to analog. So that's all from me. The rest of the question will be explained by my partner. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairul Naim bin Mujakir, matrix number 07 DEP 20F2021. I will explain about question 3, 4, and 5. For question 3, ask about the basic of VoIP network. VoIP is a technology of transmission that converts a voice into a digital signal, allowing us to make a call directly from a computer. VoIP phone data-driven device instead of using the traditional telephone landlines. Next is question 4. Question 4, which asks the future of Pstn versus VoIP. Is the first 4 dedicated Pstn lines, and for VoIP all channels are carried one virtual landlines over the internet connection. The second is for Pstn features such as caller ID, can wait, and so on are usually available at an additional cost for VoIP. Meanwhile, VoIP system features such as call waiting, caller ID, and so on usually included free with service. The third can be upgraded or expanded with the new equipment and line progressing for Pstn. For VoIP, upgraded usually requires only bandwidth and software upgrade. And finally, number 4, for Pstn hardware, hardware landline phones, those without an adapter usually remain active during power outage. For VoIP, is lose power, lost phone, and lost service without power backup in place. The last question is to ask for example application, and an example of application are WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. That's all from me. Thank you.